300S DOS back to you with another video. Got a new camera. I got the Canon EOS M50. It's basically gonna start taking over with this camera. Car Reviews Foosh, he helped me out with the other camera. I think it was the EOS A6 5400. It was sort of like a GoPro. It wasn't bad. It was getting the job done, but to continue with these YouTube videos and just get pictures on my own, I had to upgrade. So this camera was about $600-700. It's a good little deal. Got a little package. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the car review. All right, so I have here a 2017 Chrysler 300S. A lot of people mistake it for SRT. No, only thing I have SRT is the side skirts, the rear valence, and the front fog lights. To give you guys a quick little walk around, I'm gonna be going through everything I have done with the car. So, only thing SRT was the rear valence and those fog lights, and then those headlights are SRT too. That's the only thing that's SRT with this, and the side skirt. So, without further ado, we'll get into the first mod. So, first mod I have done to it is the racing springs. As you can see, it is a little bit lowered. Probably can't see up in there, but they're purple. They're D2 racing springs. They're about 150 bucks. It definitely dropped it. It was a 1.8 in the rear and a 2 in the front. I'm definitely loving that. The ride quality, it isn't bad. It's kind of bumpy, but you know, gets the job done. Second mod I have is the cold air intake. It is by Air-Aid. I actually got it for 127 bucks. It was like it was 227, so I got it for 127. Wickerbill.com, they had like a nice little deal going on for new customers, 100 bucks off. So this is a short ram cold air intake. All I had was the filter box. It's not enclosed. Definitely helps. You can hear it like the tubing, that's factory tubing. I just added some stickers on there. Got the blowback valve, whatever this is, the map sensor. It hooks up right there, and pretty much it. Took me about 2 hours to install that. Let me see. Now, the next mod will be the oil catch can. So you can see right there, JLT 3.0 oil catch can for 11 to 17 Hemis, 11 to 20 Hemis, my bad. The year, definitely that's a must. I feel like that is a must. That is a must. The reason why I say that is because it catches all the bad debris and oil and gets your recycling to your engine. I think it gives your engine more lifespan, so I would definitely recommend that. Next thing I have are R1 concept brake pads and rotors. They're drilled and slotted. I went with ceramic brake pads. Breaking them in, it wasn't too bad. Got to do a couple pulls, stop from 45 to 0. A couple pulls of 60 to 15 to stop, you know. It definitely adds some, you know, aggressive look to it when you look in your wheel well and whatnot. You can see, definitely add that little, you know, aggressiveness. The next thing I have done to the car is Underglow Kit. Probably can't see it, but at nighttime I'll try to put some pictures in here, some scenes of me rolling at night. I could change them any color. It took me about an hour to install that myself. Wasn't too bad. I used zip ties and Gorilla Glue. Have it routed up to my battery in the back. That wasn't too bad. Next will be the rain guards. Rain guards, I got those off of WeatherTech.com. Those are actually pretty cool. It adds a little, you know, a little touch to your car. I just got it. It looks cool. That was about 100 bucks. It wasn't too bad. Adds a little aggressive look to it. Also, too, when it's raining, you still want air in your vehicle. Excuse me. You still want air in your vehicle. No. You crack the window and still be good. Next model will be the Wicker Build. Got this one off ZL1addons.com. About 179 bucks, as I remember. Took me about an hour to install. You just drill holes, get a rivet gun, put the rivet inserts in there, and you're good. Button them up and whatnot. In my last video too, you can see I fixed that rivet right there. I put a new bolt in there, a new rivet. Wasn't too bad. Next model will be the rear roof spoiler by Spoiler Kings. That was about, I think that was 109 bucks, if I remember. That literally takes 10 minutes to install. Definitely gives your car a little sporty look, you know, like a little rear roof, you know, spoiler in the back. It's cool. The next model will be the tire stickers. Let me go to a better side. Those ones are kind of old. This is like my 5th, 6th set of them. I went through like 3 or 4 sets of tires. So when you go through tires, you gotta get new ones. Those are recently new. They're pretty easy to install. I actually made a video about them. It's about 150 bucks for all 4 on each tires, you know. It takes about 10 minutes to install that. Clean your tire down, wipe it down, let it dry, put a lot of glue, apply pressure, hold it, and they set on there. I do burnouts or whatnot, they hold up. So definitely something to add to your car, makes your car stand out. Next thing will be the Srt Rear Valence and exhaust tips. So first I had the factory chrome. Those weren't getting it done. I didn't like that. I've seen people put this Srt Rear Valence on here, but I didn't know how to do it. So I did my research, and me and Car Reviews with Foosh, we knocked that out real quick. Took about an hour. If you know what you're doing, an hour. If you don't know what you're doing, 2 hours. Got that ordered off MoparPartsOverstock.com. I'll leave the link in the bio or in the description. And I actually found these 5-inch carbon tips from some guy that lives in Centrilla, Washington. So I put his Instagram down there. He drives a 392 Charger. It's pretty clean. He said he didn't like them, so I was like, oh, I'll take them off your hand. I got them for 120. No, they weren't really used. Carbon, of course. Those are brand new, 225, so that was a steal, you know. Definitely I'm happy that I got that. The next thing will be the Camber Kit. That's by True Heart USA. So back then when I first got a car, I lowered it on the D2 springs. You really can't see. It's not too much camber, but it's definitely positive now. That shit was eating my tires away. That's why I went through 3 or 4 sets of tires, because my camber was eating the rears away. But I actually didn't drop that video yet. I lost footage on it, but that took me about an hour in the rear, both of them. It took me about 30 minutes on each side to take them out, put them in. So I definitely recommend that. These cars are heavy, so when you lower them, it squats. So you definitely need camber, adjustable camber arms in the rear. It will definitely save you money and all that BS that comes with, you know, lowering your car. Next thing will be my exhaust setup. So a lot of people ask me, this plane go by. A lot of people ask me, hey, what is your exhaust setup? I run straight pipe from the headers. I just did a cat delete. If you saw my video, did a cat delete from the headers down, and that was easy. So it was just straight pipe. I did a resonator delete, muffler delete, and cat delete. It's pretty loud. It's pretty loud. Definitely gives me a little airflow too. The next thing will be the interior. So I got the Underglow. Let me see, the Underglow Kit by Op7. That's my Underglow Kit for underneath the car too, and inside of the car. These are my interior lights. Go ahead and cut them off for you. Let's see. What the hell? Well, Underglows, I know what's going on with them, but that is my interior. All in the back too. Really can't see over there, but they changed to any color. I got those for, I think I got these for what, 70 bucks? I think it was 100 for the, it was 100 for the goddamn Bluetooth one. So I didn't need Bluetooth to be that fancy. I just got those. When people get in the car, it looks cool. So the next thing will be the Mopar knob. That was about 13, 14 bucks on Amazon. 3D tape, peel it off, clean that surface, put it on. Adds a little Mopar, you know, genuine parts to it, so I definitely like that. Next will be the dash cam. Dash cam is cool. I love the dash cam. Say I'm racing somebody in Mexico or wherever I'm at, I could get it real quick and, you know, post it up to show people, you know that I beat them and whatnot. Dash cam comes in handy. Next will be the Mopar Decals. I got that off of eBay. It's 10 bucks each. Took about 15-20 minutes to install. Did that by myself. Pretty easy. The next mod will be my little rear side markers. Tail lights too. My brake light, my third brake light. My emblem. And right there. And another thing I did too was I tinted those on the mirror. That adds a little, you know, theme I'm going for is black and gray, so that definitely helps. Overall, the car is stock. All I have is a catch can and air intake and cat delete, full exhaust, full straight pipe basically. I just went with, you know, the exterior, making it look nice. Has a warranty still on it, so I got about another 30,000 before it goes up. Once that goes up, I'll start doing engine mods. It's stock, but it's not slow for being stock. It's not fast for being stock. It gets the job done. It has a 5.7 in it. So let me know what y'all think. You know, let me know if what mods y'all have done in your car, how long it took you to get there. It took me about a year to get my car where it is right now. About a year. It wasn't, I had a little ups and downs with it, but definitely I don't regret any of it. I love all the money I put into it, all the time I put into it. I definitely love this car. So like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think.